What are you doing? Stop, John.
Where is it?
Let me have this. I can spray you. I got you.
He went, hey. You got what?
Yeah.
That's a lot of power here.
I want it on.
Let me see. Is yours filled up? Let me see. My grandpa's. There you go.
How's it know? Hey, let me try now. It's for you too.
Got it.
Go ahead.
Stop.
Okay, take this one. Go shoot that. You gotta go like this. Look.
Let me try now.
Okay, hold it like this. You gotta go get him. Hello. He comes right up top.
You gotta push it forward. Push it forward. This. Just hold it like this. Look.
Now you gotta move your hand.
Now forward like that. Right at the camera.
Oh, no, not that, Nana. Is he doing it? Yeah.
I am so cute.
You gotta push it forward.
You gotta move it like this.
Push it forward.
Like that.
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
Let me have that.
Now you gotta push that in. Now push it out like that.
No, don't wet Nana. Go wet Daddy. No, not Nana.
I can let the tree.
You gonna wet the tree?
Yeah.
He used all the water out of here.
Did he?
No, that one probably goes quick.
Yeah, there's only a couple of shots.
Push it forward. Hold it up. The other hand, put it forward.
This way,
Push
Anthony.
the orange thing forward.
That way.
Push it towards the tree.
The bottom part.
You have to show him.
There, you got it.
Hold it up.
He's in the tree.
You gotta shoot and run. You gotta shoot and run. Give me that gun. Give me the gun.
Stop it.
Told you that other one would be too big. He can hardly hold that one, John.
Yeah, I know.
I can bite you. I can bite you.
Good, you don't like it. Now let it go.
It's right
Show them
here.
how you run down the hills.
He's afraid, Grandpa.
Show you how you run down the hill. Go down the hill. Oh, safe. Go roll down. Let me see you roll down. Right there. Nice. Uh-oh. Let it run fast. You better run fast. You better run fast. That's his area over there.